Hello dear student, I am Swapnil sir and today we will start new lesson, that is parts of computer. Okay, parts of computer. But before actually starting the lesson, I will ask you some simple questions. Okay, and you will give me answer by seeing this picture. Okay, so which part of our body help us to see? Guess student. Obviously eyes. Okay, then next question is which part of our body help us to hear? Answer is ear. Okay, then next question is which part of our body help us to write? Answer is hand. Okay. Nowadays student, like our body, computer system has many parts. The main parts of computer system are first CPU, then monitor, mouse and keyboard. Now let's see one by one. So first important part is CPU. Dear student, CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Okay, stand for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay, and you know dear student, CPU is called the brain of computer. Brain of computer because it perform very important operation in monitor. Dear student, look at the monitor. This monitor it just look like television set. Television set. Just look like television set. Okay, and it's used to display. It's used to display text and picture. Then picture. Okay. Dear student, in higher class we will also learn the types of monitor, that is LCD and CRT. Okay. Okay, understand what is use of monitor? Monitor is used to see the work on computer. Okay, what we are doing using computer, all that thing you can see over monitor. Okay dear student, now dear student, look at this picture. This picture is keyboard. This picture is keyboard. Okay, so keyboard, look at this picture once again. This keyboard has many keys, that's why it called as keyboard. Okay, then and it is used for to typing. It used for typing text and picture. Okay, type. So keyboard is used for typing text and picture. So dear student, keyboard has many keys as I said. Okay, see the top side keys are called function keys. Okay, function keys like F1, F2 likewise. Okay, and one, okay, and these one are called enter key. Dear student, enter key is used to type from next line. Okay, then this key this key all are called arrow key. Okay, and arrow key is used to move the cursor. Used to move the cursor. Okay, up, down, left, right. Okay. Then this key, look at this key. This key is all called number key. This key all called number keys. Okay, it present on number pad and it is used to type the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is number keys. And now look these keys. These are alphabet keys. Alphabet keys, and it is used to type alphabet like A, B, C, D, and any text. Okay, like any text. Now these are the control keys. Okay, these are control keys, and control keys is used to control the mouse. Okay, and it is alter keys, and likewise keyboard has many special keys like alter key, hash key, dollar keys likewise. Okay, so for now you must remember keyboard has many keys and it is used to type the text and picture. Okay, dear student. Now dear student, our fourth important part of computer system is mouse. Okay, look at this picture and observe the picture. Mouse has two or more click button. See, this is a right click button, this is left click button, left hand side left click button, right hand side right click button, and this is scroll button, and scroll button is used to scroll the page. Okay, this device is also called as pointing device. Pointing device, because it is used to point the text or object. Okay, left button, right button, and scroll button. Once again, left button, right button, and scroll button. Okay, and it is used to draw the picture. Okay, now dear student, we have already learned about main four part of computer, that is mouse, keyboard, monitor, and CPU. Okay, so computer system has again many parts. Okay, it is optional part, you can use or not, or you can use it for your use only. Okay, first let's see first part. Okay, what's picture? It is sound, it is speaker. Okay, na? Speaker, and speaker is used to, listen music which is stored in your computer. है ना? Computer which is stored in your computer. Okay, now this is mouse pad. This picture is mouse pad. It is special seat. This is mouse pad and it is special seat for your mouse. Okay, and it help to move the mouse better. Okay, here mouse work properly. So this is mouse pad and it is special seat of your mouse. Okay, now dear student, look at this picture. It is headphone and it is also used to listen music or sound. Okay, now dear student, here one question arises. Speaker is also used to listen music and sound, and headphone is also used to listen music and sound. But what is different in between? See, if you play the music on speaker, other person will get disturbed. Okay, but you play the music over headphone, then you, only one person can listen the music and other person don't get disturbed. Okay, so this is main difference. So here I'm writing other person don't get disturbed, don't get disturbed. Okay dear student, now this is printer. And what is use of it? You have seen printer? Yes, you must seen this printer in our office, school office, right? So printer is used for printing the text and picture. Printing the text and picture. To print the text and picture from computer to the paper, or you can say soft copy to hard copy. ठीक है. Now dear student, this is special device called scanner, and scanner is used to copy the paper's data or information over paper into computer. Okay, so its function is to copy the data or picture from paper into computer. Okay, lastly, see these two familiar devices. Okay, what is its name? It is CD or DVD. Okay, and this is pen drive, or also called as flash drive. Flash drive. Okay, so this device is used to store the data. This device, for what it is used? To store the data. Remember dear student, in cultural activity program, you guys bring your song and pictures in CDs and pen drives. Okay, so this devices is used to store pictures and your songs, videos, means all of data. Okay, and here is one more device called as hard disk, which is present in your computer. It is also used to store the data. Okay, this. Now student, it's time to answer some questions. Okay, so our first question is, there are four different set of picture given below. One main part is missing in each picture. Write the name of that part. Okay, so dear student, we already know main parts of our computer system. Tell me. CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard. Computer system also has many parts, but these parts are very important parts. Okay, and main parts. So in this picture, which parts is missing? See, here is monitor, keyboard, CPU. Here missing CPU. Look at this picture. Here present monitor, CPU, mouse. What here missing? Keyboard. Now this picture, here present mouse, keyboard, CPU. What here missing? Monitor. Monitor. Now last picture. See, here present monitor, CPU, keyboard, but last our little device not present, that is mouse. Right, mouse is not present here. Okay, our next question is, find the monitor in the picture given below and circle it. See picture, what is it? It is keyboard, this is mouse, and this is monitor. It will look like TV set. This is monitor. So we will circle it. dear student, our last question is answer in one word. Answer in one word. Okay. You, after reading the sentence, you will think and give me answer. Okay. So it has click button. Which component of computer system has click button? Think mouse. Okay, mouse has click button. That is left click button, right click button. Okay. Now it is used to listen to music without disturbing other. Student, we have seen two devices is used to listen the music, that is speaker and headphone. But we know headphone is used to listen music without disturbing others. Okay. Headphone. It displays the text and picture. I give you hint. It is look like TV. Yes, it is. It is monitor. Monitor is used. Monitor is used to see the text and pictures. It is a brain of computer, and its full form is Central Processing Unit. Yes, it is CPU. Okay. So dear student, here we will end up today's class. We will meet with next topic very soon. So thank you for watching.